Hi guys, I got a package in the mail. So I got a package delivered from Jem, my dear Jem. Check out this tip. This is how I hang stuff in my van. And I've been hanging my bathing suits for the summer. There it is, Jem sent me a package. I'm so excited. That I got from my girl, Jem. Jem, you are such a sweetheart and you're very thoughtful about how we feel about our bodies, and I am so excited. I've opened the package already, but I'm gonna show you what came out of the box from Jem. Okay? So here we go. This is the first item, the fused towel. Let me show you. Oh, I'll get out and show you. Fused Hawaii. This is gonna be great. I can lay this on the beach or just use it to dry off with, or use it on the sand. Or as a quick cover. On this side it says perfectly imperfect always. That's awesome. Thank you, Jem. All right, let's see what else we have. I guess the towel is gonna go with the bathing suit. So let me close this for some light filter, and let's see. This is the top. I really love this print. I'll have to tell you what it is when I look it up, but oh, look, this is gonna fit great. Stuff it all in there. Oh wait, the strap goes, it's gonna be a crisscross. So here's the front. And here's the back. Told you it was crisscrossed. I like that. Let's see what else. This must be the bottoms. These are super cute. Tiny and teeny weeny with the bows on the sides to tie it together. And the runched rear end. These look really cute on. Oh my gosh, I hope I have the guts. Here's what it looks like. All right, and for the final thing in the package, Jem has also sent me this cover up. Look how adorable, it matches everything. The towel, the cover up, the top and the bottom were all one set. Thank you so much, my love. You're such a sweetheart. Let me show you this, how it looks when I stand up. Okay, yeah. It's a little longer in the back. Love it. Thank you again. Jem, I love you. Here's what it looks like in the field.